I want to show off the really cool way that I use this LUMIPIX portable monitor, and I'm going to show it to you straight out of the box and tell you everything I think about it. I got a really good first impression as soon as I saw the box for this. It's good looking but also practical, shows you everything you're going to get, and it felt like I was opening up something from Samsung. Quick Start Guide is going to answer all your connection questions, shows you every single way to get connected, and here it is protected in some plastic. It's super sleek. It's going to come with an HDMI to mini HDMI, as well as a necessary Type-C to Type-C. You'll get a more thorough instruction manual, and it's well organized, not confusing. It tells you in depth how to connect to each different device. But this works with laptops, desktops, gaming devices, phones, both Windows and Mac, so it's very, very versatile. I love that it comes with a protective case that doubles as a stand. It's a hard case and has 3 different stand positions that are pretty easy to use. It's got a very thin border all the way around, but doesn't feel cheap and breakable, which is great because I don't always treat my electronics super nicely. It's got a couple of rubber pads on the bottom for support. You got your HDMI and 2 Type-Cs on the right side, power button, menu controls, and headphone jack on the left. It's got built-in dual speakers on the back side, and right away I tried my hand at getting this set up with my Windows PC to see how easy or difficult it was. You will always have to have this monitor hooked up to power, so I used the included Type-C to Type-C, and then HDMI to mini HDMI. And I gotta say, right away, I was really impressed with the picture coming out of this monitor. This is a full 1080p 15.6-inch display. It's got a decent 80% RGB, HDR colors, 1200:1 contrast ratio for some nice popping colors, blue eye care that you can toggle in menu, and a 178-degree viewing angle, so it won't go dark on you if you're moving around. So this is a bit of a workstation for me. It's the breakfast table. But it's where I do a lot of my editing while the kids play. And this LUMIPIX is really good for that. Set it up here on a stand. It's a magnetic case. You need an input, which it can accept a Type-C input or HDMI input. This is a mini HDMI. And it also requires power for every input. So right now I'm just using a wall outlet to this Type-C connection, and I've got a mini HDMI going to this wireless transmitter. And my PC is in a different room, but this allows me to edit from here. It's kind of just a little wireless workspace for me to do my video editing, to run my business, and I can use this as a second monitor, hook it up to my laptop, which I also do, and essentially I don't need to run power to an outlet in that case because I can just run this directly to my laptop. I can use it to duplicate, I can use it to extend. It gives you all the instructions you need to figure out how to hook this up to every device, but it works with every device. The picture is fantastic on it. It's got menu options. Let's see here. What I like about it, it's got all these menu options. I haven't messed with too much yet, but I will show you what I did see. It's got low blue light. Check this out. Screen changes color to protect your eyes from blue light. The audio is great, the colors are good. It's running essentially the original frame rate.
Barely any cut whatsoever.
So I got a cool little portable workstation. A lot of ways to use it. Versatile. Just keep in mind you have to run power to it at all times. Love the protective case. Great big display. Great colors. Really low profile. Nice little case. If you're looking for something, headphone jack too, check out LUMIPIX.